gonna have another fight. All right, I'll teach you a trick. Yeah, we'd so hoped you would. We got just enough. Yeah, perfect. Here we go. This is called. I can't even do this in the Magic Castle. I won't get in any trouble here. I'm always worried about losing my little gold pin. It's gone. You're right. That's all right. That's all right. I'm free. I'm free. This is called the not disappears from here and appears over here trick. It's a beginner's trick. You gotta crawl before you can walk, okay? This is my gift to you. And not, we should start with that. Not obviously. The not disappears from here, it appears over here trick. And it's not that one. You're gonna see my method, and you're gonna say, oh, you did that. Just nip that in the bud right now. Let's be adults. Totally different method. I'm gonna do mine behind my back. Starts over here, disappears, and appears over here. Nip it. I use an extra knot. But theoretically, if it followed the plot of the trick, it should actually not be there now. So it always kind of mixes me up. Let's get rid of it. Play it like a flower, that's what I say. Well, I prefer the crisscross applesauce method myself. Where did I go? Don't think about it too hard. I'll just start over. Yeah. Remember when we had just one knot? Memories, memories. And then I put it behind my back and we came out with two knots, right? But we figured out how that was done, didn't we? Yes, extra knot. Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? I love this part. I absolutely do. So it reminds me of a little bird puppet. Ding a ding a ding a ding a ding a ding a ding. Ding a ding. See his little bird butt. Shake a tail feather, birdie. Oh, he looks kind of like me. If he gets scared, his neck gets longer. Defense mechanism. Of course, there's side effects. Occasionally, one of his feet will disappear. Sorry. Hop over there and sit down. I'll look for it. Ding, ding, ding. And if the other one disappears, we'll just forget it. You know, no, he's just a reptile. It's a yellow rope snake wrapped around a Caucasian log. Don't be scared, Sophie. It's still a rope. Sorry. How about the cut and restored snake trick? Not the cut and restored snake trick. Da, da, da. People for the ethical treatment of pretend rope animals have asked me not to cause them any pain, so I'm giving them a little snake lobotomy. There you go. No pain. No pain. You can't hear me. All right. The cut and restored snake trick.
Yeah.
It's the ghost of the snake head. All right, it's a snake lobotomy. I got this. Snip, snip here, snip, snip there, and a couple of latidas. That's the vasectomy sign. Don't step on your own punchline, El Ropo. They're not even what? Shut up. I got this. Mr. Rope Fix-It guy here. Yeah. There you go. And restored is a little easier. You just don't even think about it. You just do it. And we're just going to jump right into encore. I don't trust this group. So I never get to do it if I let you guys make all the decisions. For crying out loud. If you had a good time, tell all your friends. If you didn't, keep your mouth shut, okay? I'm just really sick of all the negativity in the world. This is called a rope with no ends. That's basically thought of as a cycle. Oh, slip disc. Oh. Slip disc. Did you hear what I said? Slip disc. I find there's nothing quite like a good serious lower back pain joke to get the audience going. That's all I do with it. I just wrote that joke. I carry it for that one joke. Very uncomfortable in the car. An hour and a half to get here. Oh, this isn't worth it. No, it's a good joke. Okay, this is called the rope. It's one of those things I do. I remember the rope with no end. Say goodbye to that end. Say goodbye to that end. You just put them in your hands. Shut up. Can you see me? I can see you. A rope with no ends, my friends. A rope with no ends. Where did the ends go? Nobody knows. It's a mystery. Hey, did my expression change? I feel kind of worried. Roper. Gotta put the ends back on. Find just the right spot. The manual said it would be obvious. Manual, right? Oh, ding! I found it. Boom, boom, boom. Ropo, viva Ropo, he's our favorite.